And after a miserable, wet and windy end to the week, things are gradually going to be improving as we go through the course of the weekend. I'll have the forecast.
That he could sweep down, take the hand off them for it. But joking aside, Scotland are getting a rattle at the minute. Are we going to see a similar weekend?
No, thankfully our rain warning has actually been cancelled because things are starting to improve. But it has been a miserable day. It's been wet, it's been windy, leaves all over the place. We've flooding in places, large puddles. The good news is it is going to improve slowly as we go through the course of the weekend, especially by Sunday, becoming drier and brighter. The wind coming down as well, but it will become a little bit cooler, and that's because for a time anyway, the wind will be coming in from the north. So let's take a look at the radar today. Fairly persistent rain this morning. It is all trying to shift its way south. We still have weather warnings in place for eastern parts of the Republic, turning more showery from the north across Northern Ireland, but it has been a dull and wet day nonetheless. So nice to see something quite cheery there in Ballycastle with those colourfully painted buildings. So this evening, well, the rain will be continuing to move away to the south. Still windy. We'll get some showers coming in towards the north overnight. Inland generally drier, a bit cooler than recent nights, around 6 to 9 degrees. Now, the wind comes down a little bit later in the night. Nevertheless, still quite breezy as we go into tomorrow. And although not as wet as today, there will be scattered showers in the mix. They're probably going to be more frequent in northern areas, but that northerly breeze could push a few further inland at times through the day. But come the afternoon, the cloud will start to break in between them. So we should start to see some brighter sunny spells coming through, but not really helping the temperatures, only around 10 or 11 degrees. Now, the winds ease and skies start to clear tomorrow night. We've another low coming in towards the south, and it's running up towards the North Sea again on Sunday, so unsettled for southern and eastern areas again. Not as bad as it has been, though. More settled out towards the west, and you can see the isobars are opening out. So into Sunday, we've lighter winds. May start out quite chilly, 4 or 5 degrees in places, maybe the odd patch of mist and fog. Most places, though, are going to end up with a fine day with good spells of sunshine, maybe just the odd shower towards the north coast, and highs around 13 degrees. But later on, we could see cloud and rain starting to move into parts of the southwest, a brisk south-easterly breeze setting in, and that's trying to push the whole system north. So wouldn't be surprised to see 1 or 2 showers on Monday, but it's really after that things turn more unsettled again next week.
All right, Angie, thank you very much for that, and that is it.